Thank you, Mia, for my hair. K hair. Thank you so much for my hair. I really, really love them. I really love them. They look very nice, silky, and it bounces. See, this is the water coily. It bounces very nice. This is the tip twist. Very nice, bouncy and shiny. Can you see it? Really nice. I really love my hair. K hair, you're really the best. You sell the best. And Mia was a very good customer service person. She really attended to my requests on time. She took my delivery. She gave me advice. She even did a video call. You know, I didn't expect that. She did a video call. This is like the closure. Very nice. And Mia gave me a wonderful gift. See, one bondable straight single 8 inches free gift from Mia. Yes, I really appreciate this. Let me open it. See, very nice. See, very nice. It's a bone straight hair. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Thank you, K Hair. And thank you, Mia, for being a good customer service agent. Bye.